Good morning, guys. Piper here. I trade micro version for that. Yes, this is an account. It is a performance account. I'm above the minimum request. However, I have the requirement of 8 days, weekdays, Monday, to Friday, for a profit of. I met my goal in just under 6 days, which is good because I can request a payout. However, there is rule by them. Okay, yeah. I trade fractal model by T Trades. T Trades can be found on YouTube. He also has Discord community. Find him on X, Twitter. I am currently part of the lab with Kane, Trader Kane. Find him on X, on YouTube, Ninja Streams, with just trading platform. Plays. Big shout out to a lot of Garrett. Hydrated the lens with models. Trading account. Let's get to it. Morning analysis. On the hourly, we have both and swept the so 5 a.m. swept candle one, candle all wake and expand. We have accumulation with also a news at 5:30. At 5:30, this is Eastern. I am Pacific. Therefore, this is 3 hours ahead of me. At 5:30 a.m. we had unemployment or PPI unemployment. As you can see, the S&P 500 overall market weaker than the Nasdaq, the tech sector. If this plays out properly, daily candle open is up here. The daily open is up here. Daily open for ES is up. Could create a possible SM right here, which breaking, well, not a breaking core. The assets have taken out a previous low, also known as a sweep, and then the other one that has not. So here is swept, but I would look for, since this is a 4 a.m. candle, 4-hour candle, swept the previous candle, and somewhat get a change in state of delivery below the current 4-hour candle. Right, be looking right around here, or however, we are in a very bullish uptrend. We're in a bullish uptrend. I want to do trend. However, I have to go higher for lower. The natural state of a candle: open, high, low, close. In this case, it open, low. Now we need to go high and close. However, the high could be a much higher for lower. I'm gonna try it here. Therefore, I am already at the peak balance for. However, I have no requirement. Looks like ES and Nasdaq are finally back in through. I would not like to see this candle. We're already bearish. Approach this 4-hour, 1-hour candle right here has bearish, sweeping the previous candles high and close. So this is a close in the high of the previous 1 hour candle. Hour candle, hour candle. If this is not the manipulation down because it has already daily open and the high as ES is weak, then we will flip back up and at set. Now that I know heavier, I would like to see that input up. Moving my stop loss to that 1 hour candle. We're now at the daily open SMT. Once it's failed, then it becomes a draw on liquidity. When a one risk to reward, this is about a 20 stop loss. We're about to approach it, break even. This money is not, I'm very, is now stop just a slight in the money. Breaks me out with slip after commissions. We just all I need realistic $50 a day. What as long as I close it here, I would have been done by now. My I'm gonna move my stop at $50 and profit above this just to at minimum don't require qualify as a full trade. Remember, I need to qualify for it. Uh, I'm doing. Oh no! Wow, wow, that is really okay. One loss, one break even. However, I don't like that power. When I do it, just because ES is now in correlation stronger. I know this is rally off. However, if with continued side, pretty upset. Therefore, risk it. I'm gonna do light trade. We'll just meet the minimum. I'm starting to feel a bit really pressure, and I see I need it type shit. Out of the upper qualify for a day. Back at it. This is not a good fit, bro. Oh, see, I would have got. I would have been done. That I'm out. Just above Asia. This is the wick body. Really can't. Got three con. Okay, I need to stop. I'm basically at this point just possibility. Other out and a week or two ago, I was about this, getting bangers. Market reading and analysis, amazing. I was just chasing, chasing the money, progress, proper analysis. Sometimes I'm a bit retarded. I'm sorry. Bedrock, but did it. What matters? I executed. I did it, and that's at the end of the day what counts. All right, we're done 18 minutes into the market.